In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a Moomoo account. We'll walk through two ways to do it, what you need to prepare first, and a few things to watch for so your request goes through smoothly. Before you start, there are two essentials. First, close every open position. That means you shouldn't hold any stocks, crypto, or forex. Nothing. If you recently sold something, allow time for trades to settle so the position fully disappears. Second, withdraw all remaining cash so your account shows a true zero balance. Even a small leftover amount can block the closure. While you're at it, cancel any pending orders. Those count as activity and will also prevent the request from going through. The most common way to close your account is by email. Once your positions are fully closed and your cash balance is at zero, send a short message to Moomoo support using the official regional support email listed in the Help Center or inside the app. Keep it simple. Say you'd like to close your Moomoo account and include the email address registered to the account so they can match your request quickly. If you want, you can add a brief reason for closing, but that's optional. After you send it, expect processing to take roughly 1 to 5 business days once everything on your end is cleared. If they need anything else, they'll reply, so keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder. Some regions also allow you to close your account directly in the app. Open the Moomoo app. Go to Me, then Settings, then Account and Security. Look for Delete Account or Close Account and follow the confirmation steps. You may be asked to verify your identity. Even with the in-app option, the same rules apply. You must have no positions and no remaining funds, and pending trades must be canceled. If anything is still open, the app will usually stop the request until you resolve it. A few important reminders. You cannot close your account if you still own securities or crypto, if there's any cash balance at all, or if you have pending trades. And after closing, some regions may block you from reopening the same account type for about 6 months, so be sure you really want to close it before you proceed. To recap, clear all positions, withdraw to a zero balance, then either email support through the official regional address or use the in-app option if you see it. Follow the prompts, watch for a confirmation, and you're set.